Polaris, the renowned American powersports manufacturer, is celebrating its 70th anniversary by launching a series of retro-inspired snowmobiles that pay homage to the iconic designs of the 1990s. As part of the celebration, Polaris is reintroducing classic styling cues from that era, blending them with modern technology to create snowmobiles that evoke nostalgia while delivering cutting-edge performance. The limited edition lineup features updated versions of some of Polaris's most beloved models from the 1990s. These snowmobiles are decked out in retro graphics, with bold colors and patterns reminiscent of the vibrant designs that defined the decade. Despite their vintage appearance, these machines are equipped with the latest technology, including advanced suspension systems, high-performance engines, and modern safety features. Polaris's decision to celebrate its 70th anniversary by reviving the past underscores the brand's rich history and long-standing relationship with the snowmobiling community. The company has been at the forefront of snowmobile innovation since its inception, and these retro models are a tribute to the loyal customers who have supported the brand for decades. In addition to their nostalgic appeal, these retro snowmobiles are built to perform. Polaris has incorporated its latest engineering advancements to ensure that the machines offer a smooth and powerful ride, capable of tackling the most challenging winter terrains. The combination of retro aesthetics with modern performance makes these snowmobiles a unique offering in the market, appealing to both longtime Polaris enthusiasts and new customers looking for something different. The release of these retro snowmobiles is part of a broader celebration that includes various events, promotions, and commemorative merchandise, all designed to honor Polaris's 7 decades of innovation and adventure. The company has come a long way since its founding in 1954, and this anniversary is a moment to reflect on its journey while looking forward to the future. For Polaris, the 70th anniversary is not just about looking back but also about reinforcing its commitment to innovation and excellence in the powersports industry. The retro snowmobile lineup is a perfect example of how Polaris continues to blend tradition with modernity, offering products that resonate with a wide range of consumers. In conclusion, Polaris's 70th anniversary celebration brings the past and present together in a way that only a brand with such a storied history could. The limited edition retro snowmobiles are a fitting tribute to the 1990s, a decade that played a significant role in shaping the brand's identity. As Polaris looks ahead to the next 70 years, these snowmobiles serve as a reminder of the company's enduring legacy and its commitment to providing thrilling experiences for snowmobile enthusiasts around the world.